How to change your mobile number on Instagram. Hello friends. Today, I'll guide you on how to update your mobile number on Instagram. Just follow these simple steps. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Access. Settings. Click on the three horizontal lines, menu, at the top right corner and select Settings. Navigate to Personal Information. In the Settings menu, look for the Account or Personal Information option and tap on it. Update Mobile Number. Here, you'll find the option to update your mobile number. Tap on it. Enter new number. Your current number will be displayed. Enter your new mobile number in the provided field. Verify with OPT. After entering the new number, tap Next. An OTP will be sent to your new mobile number. Submit OTP. Enter the OPT and tap Submit. Confirmation. Once verified, you'll see a message confirming that your mobile number has been successfully updated. And that's it. You've now updated your mobile number on Instagram.